Hello students, myself Rohini Athre, Neminath Jain College, Chandigarh. Today we start with our first chapter, reproduction in organism. Reproduction, we will see the definition of reproduction. Reproduction is production of young ones like the parents. Reproduction is production of new young ones like their parents. It's known as reproduction. Then what is the function of reproduction? Reproduction is essential for the continuation of species. Particular species or any organism can be continued by the process of reproduction. Then in case of methods of reproduction, reproduction is of mainly two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. The meaning of asexual reproduction means there is no involvement of gametes or the reproductive cells. Reproductive cells cannot be involved or there is no fusion of male and female gametes. But in case of sexual reproduction, there is use of two types of gametes, male gamete and female gamete. After the fusion or after the fertilization of two gametes, a new offspring will be formed. We will discuss in detail asexual reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, it can be further classified into number of ways, or asexual reproduction can be takes place by number of ways. The first one is fragmentation. In case of fragmentation, what happens? Any organism or any unicellular organism can be gutted or can be broken down into smaller fragments. Then each fragment can be grows as a new individual. Example is spirochete. Means in case of Spirogyra, fragmentation is the method of reproduction. Then the second type, it is a budding. Bud means any smaller outgrowth of the parental body. When this bud matured, then when it detached from its parent body, then it gets separated from the parent body and it acts as a new individual. It takes place or is the example of budding. Then the third type of asexual reproduction is sporulation or the spore formation. In case of unicellular organism like Chlamydomonas, the sporulation type of method is followed. Then what is meant by spores? These are the small, motile and flagellated cells. When they separate from the parents, each spore grows as a new individual. That method is known as sporulation. Example is Chlamydomonas. Means there are three pathways of asexual reproduction. First is fragmentation, second is budding, third is sporulation or spore formation. But there are number of pathways which are also be there, that is conidia formation. But in case of our syllabus, only three pathways are there. Out of that, the second type of reproduction is sexual reproduction, in which two gametes are involved for the reproduction. In case of plant, flower is used for the production of new organism or for the process of reproduction. Other than these, there is one more method of reproduction which is known as vegetative reproduction. In case of vegetative reproduction, vegetative part of plant body is used. Vegetative part of plant body is use. Then what are the vegetative part of plant body? It may be root, it may be stem, or it may be leaf. Means these are the vegetative parts which are used by the for the vegetative reproduction. Then on the basis of this method, which is again shows number of pathways. Out of that, the first one is cutting. Cutting is a very popular method which is used by the horticulturist, or it is the common method for the in case of agriculture field. Example, in case of rose plant, how the rose plant can be grown? It may be the plant of rose. The stem are cut into smaller pieces and they are used in the form of cuttings. Then the second method is grafting. Second method is grafting. What happens in grafting? Two plants can be used. In case of cutting, only a single plant is to be used. But in case of grafting, what happened? Two plants are used. One is stalk, or one is rooted inside the ground or inside the soil. The rooted plant, it is called as stalk. While the plant which is to be grafted and which shows number of birds, it is called as scion. Further, which gets united and wrapped with the help of plastic paper or with the help of thread. They get united, and this method is known as grafting. In case of grafting, two different plants are used. One is stalk and one is scion. Then, what is the function of grafting? Number of hybrid varieties are to be produced by the grafting. Then, the third method is tissue culture. In case of tissue culture, what happens? Small excised part of plant body which is used to obtain number of plantlets in a short period of time. That method is known as tissue culture. All the plantlets are genetically identical to that parental tissue. Then one more method of vegetative reproduction is known as micropropagation. It is similar to the tissue culture, in which small cells or small tissues are used for the production of number of plantlets. Means the vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation we can be done with the help of cutting, grafting, tissue culture and micropropagation. Then the last method of reproduction is sexual reproduction, in which the flower is used, or it is the modified structure of plant body which is mainly made for the production of new species, which involves the two types of gametes, male gamete and female gametes.